Hi guys, we received this Wavlink USB-C to 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet adapter for learning purposes, and I'm gonna take it out of the box. What is nice is that this adapter can reach 2.5G in about 5 conditions, which is really nice, and it's very easy to use. Just take it out of the box and connect it. You're connected with the USB Type-C or USB 3.1. Okay, so I'm taking it out of this box. It comes with the driver download link and a quick start guide, which is really easy. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in with the USB first to try it. So take it right here, plug it in, and I'm gonna take my Ethernet cable and plug it in here, and I got my connection this. Okay, as you connected it, it rapidly detects the signal, which is really nice. I've turned off Wi-Fi and it's using the Ethernet cable. So come, let's see it. As we can see in here, the Ethernet is connected and it has a very good performance, and it also has a very nice throughput of megabytes per second, which is really nice, and it's very stable. Okay, so as you can see, it's really nice to just plug it in and it works right away. This is the proper function. It has this LED that means that it's working, which is quite nice, and it detects it automatically. Here we see that we have internet access, which is really nice. Nowadays, most recent computers don't have the Ethernet connection, which is, well, a bit troublesome because sometimes you don't have the Wi-Fi or anything, and it's more stable with Ethernet. So I really like it. Brings you nice options to connect your laptop or your device to the internet. Either way, if it doesn't have the USB, you can connect it with the Type-C, which also works great, and it's really good. Also, you just plug it in and it connects automatically, which is really nice, really easy, and really good. So I will actually recommend it. It's quite nice, it's small, it's easy to take with you, and it's a perfect accessory to have with you if you prefer a more stable and secure connection to